Hello, everyone. Jim Garrison. I want to welcome you to this session of Humanity Rising as we want to take on the single most important issue, I think, on planet Earth right now, and that is how do we think like an ET? How do we establish intelligible communication with these beings that we are now being given incontrovertible evidence about? That we are not alone, they're here, they're talking with us, they're making themselves manifest to us. And so we need to upgrade our linguistic capabilities to learn the mother tongue, to learn how to communicate intelligibly with these beings. I've mentioned before the excitement that I feel, that Humanity Rising, Ubiquity University feels about this moment, because we're right in the beginnings of, I think, the next big phase of disclosure, which started many, many years ago, quickened in 2017 with the New York Times article, as we've discussed, and then David Grush, congressional testimony in July of 2023, and then various other statements, all saying the same thing, that there's now, as Carl Nell puts it, zero doubt that non-human intelligences are here. And then Ross Coulthart, the Australian journalist, interviewed and broadcast with Jake Barber, who has personally handled these alien craft, personally communicated with alien beings, has a company, Skywatcher, which is working with the US government and various agencies to retrieve these crafts, and is talking about psionics, of how humans now can begin to engage in mental telepathic communication with extraterrestrials, which requires an upgrade. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. I want to just note that Ubiquity University is in the middle of this revolution. Our extraterrestrial studies program, which you can find on our website at ubiquityuniversity.org, in partnership with Transdimensional Mapping, which is the creation of Bertie Jaworski, one of the great remote viewers, remote perceivers in the world. We're rolling out a series of courses and summits and opportunities, in-person learning journeys to hotspots with Bertie Jaworski, with Chris Bledsoe, that are all of which are coming up. And in fact, our next course, which is on the science of consciousness of remote viewing, is starting this Thursday with several remote viewers, one from the Monroe Institute, which is one of our strategic academic partners, the Monroe Institute. So we are at the heart of this impulse, which is now beginning to surface worldwide, that since they're here, we need to learn how to talk with them and how to be with them and how to collaborate with them in an open-hearted way, so that together, humans and extraterrestrials, in the widest scope of what that means, can begin to fashion the next phase for human growth and development as humanity now enters its cosmic moment. If we're not alone, since we're not alone, establishing bonds of friendship and empathetic collaboration with these beings is the only way to secure the human future.